Hi everyone. So in this project, me and Neha, we have analyzed historical sales data from a global retail company using Microsoft Excel. Our goal was to explore new business questions, create a professional dashboard, and extract external insights using charts, formula, and interactive tools. Let's start with this. Our objective was to analyze sales performance by region, product category, discount, impact, and customer segment, and present it visually through a dynamic Excel dashboard. So, the tools we have used was Microsoft Excel for data cleaning, transformation, formulas, pivot tables, and dashboard creation, CSV files to source format for the Superstore dataset, and also PowerPoint to present the key findings and recommendations for this project. So first of all, we have cleaned the data and format columns, dates, currency, etc. Then we have calculated fields and KPIs. We have built tables and charts. We have also added interactivity with slicer and drop downs. And then we have designed the final dashboard layouts. So we will start with dashboard walkthrough. So first, we have created KPI cards showing total sales, that is 2297200.86, total profit, total orders, and average discounts. It helps us instantly see which region is performing best. Now Neha will go through other analysis.
Thank you, Devisha. My name is Neha Gupta. My student code is PV25_08020. So my part in this project is like a pivot table and the charts, lookup functions and the referencing, advanced data analysis formula, and making Excel dashboard. So let's begin with the first one, that is pivot charts and the tables. I started by creating pivot tables to summarize the data in three ways. Like first, I created a pivot table to see sales by regions and the segment. Then second, I compared different categories with their profits. And the third, I showed the monthly trend of orders to track sales over time. Then I added pivot charts for data visualization, like a bar chart to compare sales across different regions, and a line chart to display monthly sales trend. After that, a pie chart to understand the share of each category in total sales. To make this more interactive, I use slicers which help filter the dashboard dynamically by region, segment, or the category. So the second part is lookup function and the referencing. I also use different lookup functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and the XLOOKUP to fetch product details and index match for more accurate and the flexible lookups. While doing this, I practice absolute and the relative cell referencing to control how formulas have been copied to other cells. So the third part is advanced Excel formulas. Next, I use several advanced formulas like COUNTIF, SUMIF, and the average to analyze key points like orders with sales greater than a certain amount and highly discounted orders. I also use ranked, large, and the small to find top performing products. To avoid errors in lookup functions, I applied the if error form. The part 4 is the final dashboard. After all that, I created my final Excel dashboard, which includes like KPI, like sales, profit, and the quantity, region-wise bar or map charts, category-wise pie or column charts, a monthly sales trend line, slices to filter data by region and the segment, and a dynamic drop-down for flexible filtering. After that, we created some insights like we are able to answer to some insights like from which regions performs based in revenue and the profits, which products categorizes are underperforming, how much discounting affects profitability, and what are the top 10 contributing most to profit. After all this, we completed our projects by making the final dashboard. And the conclusion of this project was like, this project helped me understand how to use Excel for real business analysis by combining pivot tables, formulas, and the charts. I was able to build a complete interactive dashboard to make data-driven decisions. That's all from our side. Thank you.
So we would like to thank you for watching this project. For other information, you can also watch our GitHub for more information. Thank you.